Welcome back to Fluent Mic English Podcast, where you learn real English for everyday life. I'm Nabil.
And I'm Anna. Hello, everyone.
Today, we are going to learn English for hotel check-ins and travel situations.
Yes, if you travel or stay in hotels, these phrases will help you feel confident and safe.
Let's start from the moment you arrive at the hotel. Imagine you walk to the reception desk. The receptionist smiles and says, "Good afternoon, welcome. How can I help you today?"
And you can reply, "Hello, I have a reservation under the name, your name."
If you didn't book a room, you can ask politely, "Hello, do you have any available rooms for tonight?"
Polite words like please and thank you make you sound friendly.
The receptionist may ask, "Can I see your ID or passport, please?"
You can say, "Yes, here it is." Or, "Of course, here's my passport."
After that, they usually ask, "Will you be paying with cash or card?"
You can reply, "I'll pay by card, please." Or, "Cash is fine, thank you."
Then the receptionist gives you your key and information about your room. Here is your key. Your room is on the 3rd floor. Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m.
You respond with, "Thank you very much." Or, "Great, thank you for your help."
Now imagine you need extra services. You might say, "Can I have an extra towel?"
Or, "Could you send some water to my room?"
Remember, polite questions start with "Can I?" or "Could you?"
If something is wrong in your room, you can say, "The air conditioner is not working." Or, "There is a problem with the Wi-Fi." Then you can ask, "Could someone help me fix this?"
At checkout, the receptionist may ask, "Did you enjoy your stay?"
You can reply, "Yes, it was very nice, thank you." Or, "Everything was great, I had a good time."
Sometimes you may want to ask, "Can I have a late checkout?"
Or, "Could you arrange a taxi to the airport?"
Other useful hotel phrases include, "Is breakfast included?" "Where is the elevator?" "Can I leave my luggage here?"
Let's do a quick role play. I'll be the guest, Nabil, you be the receptionist. Okay?
"Hello, I have a reservation under Anna Smith."
Of course, Miss Smith. Can I see your ID, please?
"Here you go."
Will you be paying with cash or card?
"By card, please."
Here is your key. Your room is on the 2nd floor. Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m.
"Thank you very much."
Perfect. That's how a real conversation goes.
You see, short sentences and polite words are enough. You don't need perfect grammar. Now let's talk about travel situations outside the hotel.
First, asking for directions. If you are at a train station or bus stop, you can say, "Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to place?" Or, "Which platform is for city?"
Listen to the response carefully. If you don't understand, ask, "Can you repeat that, please?"
Another useful phrase, "Is it far from here?" Or, "How long does it take to walk?"
Now imagine you are at the airport. You might ask, "Where is the check-in counter for airline?"
Or, "What time does my flight leave?"
If your flight is delayed, you can ask, "Has the flight been delayed?" Or, "When will boarding start?"
Always use please and thank you. Politeness works everywhere.
Next, let's practice restaurant English while traveling. At a hotel restaurant, you can say, "A table for one, please."
Or, "Can I see the menu?" If you want to order food, "I would like the chicken salad, please." Or, "Can I have a glass of water?" And if you want something extra, "Can I have extra sauce, please?"
Sometimes you may need medical help while traveling. You can say, "I need a doctor."
Or, "Is there a pharmacy nearby?" Simple sentences, clear pronunciation, and calm speaking will help you in emergencies.
Let's do a full hotel role play, including check-in, asking for extra service, and check-out.
Okay, go ahead.
"Hello, I have a reservation under Anna Smith."
"Can I see your passport, please?"
"Here it is."
"Will you pay by cash or card?"
"Card, please."
"Your room is on the 3rd floor. Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m.
"Thank you. Can I have an extra pillow, please?"
"Of course, we will send it to your room."
"Thank you very much."
And now check out. How was your stay?
"It was very nice, thank you. Everything was perfect."
Excellent. Here is your bill.
"Thank you. Can you call a taxi to the airport?"
Sure, a taxi will arrive in 10 minutes.
"Thank you so much. Goodbye."
That's it. You see, using short, polite sentences works everywhere.
Let's review the most important phrases. Repeat after us. "I have a reservation under the name, your name." "Do you have any available rooms for tonight?"
Can I see your ID or passport, please?
"Will you be paying with cash or card?"
Can I have an extra towel?
"Could you arrange a taxi to the airport?"
Where is the elevator?
"How long does it take to walk?" "I need a doctor." "Is there a pharmacy nearby?"
Excellent.
If you practice these phrases every day, your English will improve quickly. That's all for today's episode of Fluent Mic English Podcast.
Thank you for listening. We hope these phrases help you travel with confidence.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode with friends who want to learn English for travel. Keep practicing, keep listening,
And enjoy your trips.
This is Nabil and Anna, and you've been listening to Fluent Mic English Podcast.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like the video.